Before buying a car scratch remover, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Some products look great on the outside, but fall short in real-world results.
Product number 1, Carfident Scratch Repair Kit. The Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This kit caught my eye because it's designed to tackle light scratches and swirls with ease, and it's priced at $21.97. If you want to restore your car's paint to its original brilliance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Carfident kit includes a buffer pod and a specially formulated compound that works effectively on all paint types. The 8.4 fluid ounce formula is enough to tackle multiple scratches, and with over 6,000 sold just last month, buyers seem to love it. It's also safe for clear coats and is free from unnecessary dyes and sets, making it user-friendly for everyone. Now, some people complained about the application process being a bit tedious. Here's the thing though, while it may take a little elbow grease, the results are genuinely impressive. For those who want a quick fix without much effort, this might feel like a deal breaker, but if you're patient, the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a few light scratches and swirls that need addressing without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick and effortless solution, as it requires some effort to see good results. Now, if the application process bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a drill-activated option.
Product number 2, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. This car scratch remover is designed to work quickly with a drill, and although I don't have a price listed, it's often very competitively priced. If you're looking for minimal effort and quick results, this set is definitely something to consider. Here's why this matters for you. This kit is clear coat safe, meaning you can use it without worrying about damaging your finish. It comes with a drill-mounted pad and ScratchX, which utilizes micro-abrasive technology to erase light scratches and scuffs effectively. With more than 4,000 bought in the past month, people are raving about how easy it is to use. Now, some users found that the drill attachment wasn't compatible with all drills, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, if you have a standard electric drill, you'll be able to use this easily. For those without one, this could be a deal breaker, but the convenience it offers is hard to ignore. This is perfect for you if you want a fast solution to remove scratches and scuffs. Skip this one if you don't have a compatible drill or prefer a hand application. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious defects.
Product number 3, Meguiar's M105 Ultra Cut Compound. Let's talk about Meguiar's M105 Ultra Cut Compound. This one is a powerhouse for removing heavy swirls and scratches. And while I don't have a price here, it's typically on the higher end. If you're dealing with serious paint defects, this is worth a serious look. Why is this important? This compound is designed to tackle everything from oxidation to sanding marks, up to 1200 grit. Its micro-abrasive technology not only removes these defects, but also enhances shine, making your car look brand new again. Plus, it's safe for all glossy paints, so you can use it freely without worrying about damage. However, some users mention that achieving a perfect finish can take practice. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest some time into learning the application process, the results will absolutely blow you away. For those seeking a quick fix without learning curve, this might feel challenging. This is perfect for you if you're serious about restoring your car's paint and don't mind putting in some effort. Skip this one if you want something that's easy to use right out of the box without prior experience. Now, if you're looking for a more multifunctional product, the next one might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Chemical Guys VSS One Step. We have the Chemical Guys VSS One Step Scratch and Swirl Remover, priced around $17.59. It promises an easy solution for restoring gloss while removing scratches. If you're short on time but need results, this is definitely worth considering. Why should you care? This product combines cutting power and polishing in one step, which means you can remove light to moderate scratches while leaving a high gloss finish behind. It's safe for all paint types and can be applied by hand or with a machine, making it very accessible. It's no wonder over 1,000 people have purchased this recently. One downside is that some users felt it didn't tackle deeper scratches as effectively as they had hoped. But honestly, for light to moderate imperfections, it works like a charm. If you're dealing with deep scratches, you might need something more intense, but for everyday maintenance, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution that's quick and effective. Skip this one if you have significant paint damage that needs a more aggressive approach. Now, if you're looking for something budget-friendly that still delivers, the last product might just be your best bet.
Product number 5,
Turtle Wax Scratch Repair. We have the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. Priced at just $12.99, this one caught my attention for its ability to tackle both scratches and oxidation. If you're on a budget but still want a good repair solution, this is definitely worth a look. So why does this matter? The Turtle Wax formula repairs light to heavy scratches, swirls, and even headlight oxidation. It's infused with protective resins that bond to your car's clear coat, ensuring the repair lasts through washes and rain. With 600 plus units sold recently, it's gaining traction among budget-conscious buyers who still want results. Some users pointed out that it might not work as well on deeper scratches, but here's the thing, for most everyday wear and tear, this product does an impressive job and can save you a lot of money in professional repairs. If you're looking for something to fix major damage, this might be a letdown, but for surface-level issues, it's a winner. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective solution for minor scratches. Skip this one if you need to repair deep paint damage or are looking for professional-grade results.
We started with the Carfident Scratch Repair Kit for light scratches, moved to Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit for minimal effort, then tackled serious defects with Meguiar's M105. The Chemical Guys VSS offered a quick, effective solution, while the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair gave us a budget-friendly option. Whatever your needs are, there's something here for you.